What if I told you that the stiffness you feel in your knees, shoulders, or fingers is not just because of age, and not because your joints are drying out forever, but because your body is slowly losing something very important every single day? And what if I told you that most people make this problem worse without realizing it, simply through their daily routine? Stay with me till the end of this video, because one simple daily habit, just one spoon, can help your joints move more smoothly and comfortably again. Hello, I am Dr. Eric Greger, and you are watching the Dr. Eric Greger channel. On this channel, we talk about simple daily habits, food-based solutions, and doctor-style guidance to help you stay active, mobile, and independent as you age. My goal is not to promise miracles, but to help you understand your body in a simple and practical way so you can support it before joint pain controls your life. Let me ask you a few honest questions. When you wake up in the morning, do your knees feel tight? Do your fingers feel stiff when you try to close your hand? Do you hear cracking or popping sounds when you move your joints? Do you feel pain when you stand up after sitting for a long time? Many people think this is normal aging, but very often this is a sign that your joints are losing proper lubrication. Your joints are designed to move smoothly. Inside every healthy joint, there is a natural fluid that acts like oil in an engine. This fluid reduces friction, absorbs shock, and allows your bones to move without grinding against each other. When this lubrication decreases, movement becomes stiff, painful, and uncomfortable. Over time, this lack of lubrication can lead to inflammation, cartilage damage, and chronic joint problems. Now, here is something important that many people do not realize. Joint lubrication does not disappear suddenly. It reduces slowly year after year because of daily habits. Let me predict something. If you ignore joint stiffness today and continue the same routine, your joints will not magically heal on their own. They will gradually become less flexible, more painful, and more dependent on medication. Think about your daily routine. Do you drink enough water? Do you sit for long hours without moving? Do you rely heavily on refined foods and oils? Do you avoid healthy fats because you think all fats are bad? These habits directly affect joint lubrication. Your joints need proper hydration, gentle movement, and healthy fats to maintain smooth motion. I see this pattern again and again. People avoid fats completely, thinking it will protect their heart, but in reality, they remove the very nutrients their joints need. Then, when pain starts, they take painkillers. Painkillers reduce pain signals, but they do not restore lubrication. They do not repair cartilage. They simply allow you to move through pain while the joint continues to wear down silently. Now, let me introduce a very simple habit that can support joint lubrication naturally. 1 spoon daily. 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil. That's it. Simple, affordable, and easy to include in your daily routine. You may wonder how 1 spoon can help your joints. Let me explain it simply. Extra virgin olive oil contains healthy fats and natural compounds that reduce joint inflammation and support the environment inside your joints. It helps improve the quality of the fluid inside the joint and reduces friction during movement. When inflammation is reduced and lubrication improves, joints move more smoothly and stiffness decreases. This is not a new idea. People living in Mediterranean regions, where olive oil is a daily staple, have lower rates of joint stiffness and mobility problems as they age. They stay active longer, not because they do extreme exercises, but because their daily diet supports joint health consistently. Let me answer some questions people usually ask. When should you take this 1 spoon? The best time is in the morning, either on an empty stomach or with breakfast. Can you mix it with food? Yes, you can add it to salads or drizzle it over food, but taking it raw gives maximum benefit. Can you cook with it? Cooking is fine, but for joint lubrication, raw intake works better because heat can reduce some beneficial compounds. How long before you feel improvement? Some people notice less stiffness within a few weeks, while for others it takes a month or two. The key is not speed, but consistency. Now, let me talk about a mistake many people make. They start a habit for a few days, then stop because they do not feel instant results. Joint health does not improve overnight. Joint lubrication improves slowly, just like it reduces slowly. Small daily habits repeated consistently are what bring real change. Let me be honest about what happens if joint lubrication continues to decrease. Movement becomes painful. People avoid walking. Muscles weaken. Balance reduces. The risk of falls increases. More medications are added. Quality of life decreases. This is not because joints are weak by design, but because they were not supported early enough. Medication has its place, and I am not against medical treatment when needed, but medications for joint pain often focus on reducing pain and inflammation, not restoring lubrication. They help you tolerate pain, but they do not rebuild the joint environment. Daily habits, on the other hand, support the body's natural repair mechanisms. To make this one-spoon habit work even better, you should also focus on a few simple things. Drink enough water throughout the day because dehydration reduces joint fluid. Move your joints gently every day. Even simple walking helps circulate joint fluid. Reduce refined oils and processed foods, which increase inflammation. And try to maintain a healthy sleep routine because repair happens during rest. Your joints are not meant to be stiff and painful all the time. They are designed to move, but movement needs lubrication, and lubrication needs support. One spoon daily is not a cure, but it is a strong foundation for healthier joints. Before I finish, let me remind you that this information is for educational purposes only. Every body is different, and if you have a medical condition or are taking medication, you should consult your doctor before making changes. But do not underestimate the power of simple daily habits. They work quietly, just like joint damage works quietly. If this video helped you understand your joint health better, please like this video so more people can benefit from it. Subscribe to the Dr. Eric Greger channel for simple, doctor-style health guidance. And comment below, "one spoon daily," so I know you are committed to protecting your joints. Small habits practiced daily can help you move better, feel better, and live more freely. I will see you in the next video.